Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about Amazon Cognito. Amazon Cognito helps you add user sign-up, sign-in, and access control to your web and mobile apps quickly and easily. It allows you to scale to millions of users and support sign-in with social identity providers such as Apple, Facebook, Twitter, now X, or Amazon with SAML 2.0 identity solutions, or by using your own identity system. Amazon Cognito also enables you to focus on creating great app experiences instead of worrying about building, securing, and scaling a solution to handle user management, authentication, and sync across devices. Great. Let us talk about some benefits of Amazon Cognito. Amazon Cognito offers the following benefits for your organization: frictionless, customizable customer IAM, advanced security features for sign up and sign in, high-performing, scalable user directory, and standards-based federated sign-in capabilities. Let us elaborate each of these benefits briefly. Frictionless, customizable customer IAM. Deliver frictionless customer identity and access management with a developer-centric, cost-effective, and customizable service. Advanced security features for sign-up and sign-in. Add advanced security features such as risk-based adaptive authentication, compromised credential monitoring, and security metrics to support your compliance and data residency requirements. High-performing, scalable user directory. Scale to millions of users with a fully managed, high-performance, and reliable user directory. Standards-based federated sign-in capabilities. Federate sign-in by using OpenID Connect or SAML 2.0 and connect to a broad group of AWS services and products. Excellent. Let us see some use cases for Amazon Cognito. Amazon Cognito supports the following use cases which cover a broad spectrum of customers' needs. Engage customers with flexible authentication, manage B2B identities, secure machine-to-machine authentication, and get role-based access to AWS resources. Let us explain each of these use cases briefly. Engage customers with flexible authentication. Allow customers to sign in directly or through social or enterprise identity providers to a hosted UI with your branding. Manage B2B identities. Use a variety of multi-tenancy options that provide different levels of policy and tenant isolation for your business. Secure machine-to-machine authentication. Develop modern, secure microservice-based applications and more easily connect your application to back-end resources and web services. Get role-based access to AWS resources. Gain secure role-based access to AWS services such as Amazon S3, Amazon DynamoDB, and AWS Lambda. Okay, now let us see how Amazon Cognito works in an application environment. With Amazon Cognito, you can add user sign-up and sign-in features and control access to your web and mobile applications. Amazon Cognito provides an identity store that scales to millions of users, supports social and enterprise identity federation, and offers advanced security features to protect your consumers and business. Built on open identity standards, Amazon Cognito supports various compliance regulations and integrates with front-end and back-end development resources. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows key features of Amazon Cognito and integration and interaction with other AWS services. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how Amazon Cognito works in a typical application environment. In summary, use Amazon Cognito and implement secure, frictionless customer identity and access management into your web and mobile applications that scales. That's all about Amazon Cognito. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.